Do you see all the little aphids crawling on this? I want to call it an adult ant, but to be open with you, I am not totally sure. What I am sure of is all those little guys crawling on this bug right now. And what these little guys are doing, obviously, is annoying the shit out of this guy. What these little bugs are also doing is that they're hitching a ride. So this guy flies into my greenhouse, and he probably had actually another 20 of these guys before I finally caught him. And they end up dive bombing over my potato plants, which is so annoying, right? I've been busting my butt this entire season, making sure to control my aphid problem. So there was about 20 more of them, and just a second ago it flipped on its belly and you saw another 20 of these little aphids hitch a ride on this guy. This guy ended up flying into my greenhouse, and before I caught him, ended up dive bombing probably about another 20 aphids over my potato plants on the left side corner. So obviously I'm going to be dealing with the aphid issue on my potato plants, at least one specifically if I let it go. Just the other day though, we found a little nest of aphids just starting on my corn patch. And a lot of times people think that ants will carry these aphids in. Really, I'll just call them pests. These various pests in. Although what's also happening is these guys are hitching on the back of adult ants. And if you know what this critter is, please tell me below. Please comment below. I would love to know. I don't know everything, FYI. I did look it up, but I wasn't able to find the specific species. So when you spend time in your greenhouse, you'll notice these things just starting. You'll be able to catch this critter before it ends up releasing all of these bugs, because as you could see, these bugs are crawling to the top of its head, annoying it, and this bug is trying to shake them off. And every time it shakes off these aphids are going on to our plants. This is another thing to just pay attention to on a daily basis to help keep control of your pest problems in your greenhouse.